Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Art Adventure. In this video, I'll be sharing a sketch that I made on Women's Day. Here are the materials that I have used to make this sketch. One HP Graphite Pencil of Artline, Kneaded eraser of Faber-Castell, and one non-dust soft eraser of Apsara. And as the surface, I have used 100 GSM A4 paper here. I have used only one pencil to make the entire sketch here. I hope you will like this, so keep patience and watch this video. Here I started by making the rough sketch. I have just drawn the outline and then I have started redefining all those lines to get the exact proportion. And afterward, I move on to the shading. Most crucial and important part was the face here, and I have faced a little bit difficulties to make the shading here. As the face is too small, so I need to control my pencil very carefully to get the exact shade value. I'm using just one HP graphite pencil. That's why to make the darker shade I need to increase the pressure on pencil, and similarly by applying lighter pressure I can achieve lighter tone. I have tried to maintain the contrast as much as possible. To make this sketch I just trying to use minimum materials, so that's why I have chosen a single pencil and a common eraser, and I just do the smoothing effect or the blending part by using my finger only. I was just trying to see the effect that we can achieve using a single pencil. So you can say it was an experiment, and at the end we can say it's quite successful. If you like this video, then please share with your friends. You can share it on different social networking sites, whatever you want, and that would be really very helpful for me. And to get notification of my upcoming videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll come back soon with another video. Till then, stay connected. Thanks for watching.